Okay, this video is about the camera that I normally shoot my videos with. And the reason I'm doing that is because I recently got a new phone, and it has 4K abilities. My old phone had 4K also, but I didn't realize that it did. And I'm just curious to see how well the video looks, so I'm making a 4K video. And a couple of people have asked what cameras and what I use to record the sound on my videos, and normally this is it. I use a Sony HDR XR150. This is a HD camcorder that can shoot full HD 1080p at 30 frames per second and 1080i at 60. It can, let's see here. It has several record modes. I shoot at HD FH. Let's see, what are the settings? So it has HD FX, which is AVC HD 24 megabits per second, HDHQ 9, HDFH 17, and HDLP, which is 5. I shoot at HD 17 megabits per second. That's just slightly higher than what YouTube recommends, and then I reduce the image quality to whatever the specs are, the bit rate to whatever the specs are that YouTube says. I have had this camera for quite a long time, I think since 2012, but I only started shooting YouTube videos in I want to say 2017. This thing was, I think, $900 when I got it. I did accidentally fry it. I hooked it up to, it has a USB 2.0 connection, and I had, on my old computer, I had a connector running from the motherboard to a USB that was supposed to be on a USB 2.0 connection to a connector that I was always using, and one day that came loose, and I plugged it back up, and I thought I had plugged it into the right place, and I plugged it into the FireWire port. So when I went to plug this in, it bricked the camera and the computer, and cost me $100 to send this back to Sony to be fixed, and there's like $75 or something like that to get a new motherboard to fix my computer. But otherwise, this thing is a really nice camera. It has Carl Zeiss Vario Tassar lenses. It has a 150 gig hard drive. It has ability to add memory cards. It has a zoom, which I'm not sure what it is. See if it doesn't tell me. I'll have to look it up. You can control and play back videos from this. Oh no, I'm sorry, it has a 120 gig hard drive. Well, whatever. It has face recognition, which I've never used, don't care about, because I don't shoot much videos of people. And it has a high speed mode where it reduces the video down to, I think, 480p, and shoots at a higher frame rate for a short amount of time. It's okay. I mean, it's not slow motion, guys, or anything. I have replaced the batteries. I think this is the third time I've had to order batteries for it. And other than it has its own proprietary charger, which is annoying, it works really well. The sound quality is excellent. It has 2 mics on the front. I rarely ever use an external mic in my videos. There's only been a couple of them. I think the one on how to cook bacon is one of the few ones that I narrated. But anyways, that's it. It's just a quick video. See you later.